love Chicago. I want to see Chicago thrive. We could become the greatest city in the world.
I think this event was remarkably successful because of the way that it brought so many different people together from the life sciences community in Chicago and gave them a chance to share ideas and hopefully develop some synergies that will spark some more growth in this community.
We've got the people, we've got the location, we've got the potential. And the healthcare sector could be a major driver of prosperity in Chicago.
And I think it was a great event and very informative for everyone involved.
And this is why we are all here today. This is Paradigm. Paradigm is a place for everyone to come together in the healthcare life sciences and to talk about new innovations, share new ideas, and build new business together.
And I came to this event because I think it's very useful for me as a future physician. And I think it's great that CLSC is bringing together all the individual stakeholders to get a better sense of how to identify the problems and fix them both internally and externally.
Would you mind saying why does a company like Astellas choose the Midwest and specifically Chicago area?
Chicago has all the raw ingredients for just a really booming biotech sector.
So the roots of the whole industry really flow out of Chicago.
Speaking from the perspective of being in Chicago and wanting to put dollars behind in this space, Chicago's actually been a great place for us.
My name is Gary Cooper, and I am a PhD student at Northwestern University. And I came today to learn about why Chicago is a great place for biotech and pharmaceutical startups.
The government would come up with ways to be public-private partnerships and be an ally and an advocate for your sector, combining the business sector with our university system and creating an environment for companies to grow and thrive here. We can kick tails.
And I came to the event because CLSC puts on great events that talk about some of the most pressing issues affecting the life science and healthcare industries.
We have 4 distinguished panelists: Donna Thompson, George Maisel, Jason Montre, Alan Rosenberg.
A place where physicians and a hospital could sit at the same table and figure out how to do things collaboratively.
And so I think that their charter is something that's really interesting and really hits home for me.
I'd be delighted to come back to this event next year.
I would absolutely come again next year.
I would absolutely come back to the Chicago Paradigm next year.